I have the pleasure of being one of the speakers for Expo Labor 2016, which is scheduled to take place right here in Aruba on Saturday, April 23rd. I am so thrilled that I have been invited to be part of Expo Labor 2016. It is going to be an awesome experience for everyone who comes, and I have the pleasure of speaking on the subject of how to build a career and not just a job. When I asked the coordinating team why they selected that particular topic for me, they said, well, Michelle, why not you? Right? So I'm one of those individuals who transitioned from being a director of a very luxurious organization in Aruba to now being self-employed for the last 5 years. And so being an employee or just having a job was not enough for me. And so what I wanted was something that I could be passionate about and something that I could be excited about. And so the subject of how to build a career and not just a job is one that fits perfectly with the person that I am, but one that I know everyone should be excited to come and hear about. So if you are planning to attend the Expo Labor 2016 on April 23rd, I hope that you take some time to come to my session where we will talk a lot more on this exciting topic. We should be passionate about what we do. We should use the driving force that's within us in order for us to get on that path, that journey of purpose that is meant for each and every one of us. So come out. Be part of Expo Labor 2016. April 23rd is the date. We're going to be at the Renaissance Convention Center, and you don't want to miss it.